This is the second rally and protest since October. That's when federal court heard Canadian Nuclear Laboratories appealed a decision that it failed to properly consult First Nations on a proposed low-level radioactive depository near Chalk River, Ontario. This time, the court heard CNL's application for a judicial review of the species at risk ruling and the decision that invalidated its permit to build at Chalk River. However, Kebaowek says the project will pose a threat to the land and animals and says it could be a matter of months to hear a decision. But they hope the court rules CNL's permit is invalid and will send it back for reconsideration.
Which basically argued that the Species at Risk Act basically says that you must look at all reasonable alternatives or locations for a project. And in this instance here, that wasn't the case. Basically, they only looked at locations that were owned by CNL and or AECL, and that's not what the Act says. The Act says you're supposed to look at all reasonable alternatives, not just those that are easiest for you.
Northern Myotis, golden-winged warbler. Golden-winged warbler.
And for Kebaowek, one of those responsibilities is, being a voice for the voiceless. The land, the water, the air, the trees, the animals, the fish, they don't have a voice. And it's, to me, the responsibilities of Indigenous peoples, of the Algonquin Nation, to speak for those voices here.